Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make thick bean soup using an easy method. First, choose your favorite dried beans like navy or cannellini, about 1 pound. Soaking them overnight in 6 cups of water is crucial for a quicker cook and better texture. This simple step helps soften the beans, making them easier to blend later. Remember to drain and rinse them well before moving on to the next stage. Now let's get cooking. Place your rinsed beans into a large pot with about 8 cups of fresh vegetable or chicken broth. Add your preferred aromatic vegetables like diced onion, carrots, and celery for a rich flavor base. Bring everything to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the beans are incredibly tender. To achieve that wonderful thick texture, carefully remove about 1/3 of the cooked beans and some liquid. Blend this portion until it's completely smooth and creamy. Then, pour this blended mixture back into the pot with the remaining whole beans. Stir everything together thoroughly. You'll see the soup instantly thicken. Now, season generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs for a delicious finish. Your delicious, thick bean soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls, perhaps with a drizzle of good olive oil for extra richness. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or some grated Parmesan cheese makes a lovely garnish. This soup is perfect for a comforting meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade hearty soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.